Transfer 100 ml of the water sample to be tested. Add to glass beaker. Place it on an electric furnace or electric heating plate to heat and concentrate the water sample. Concentrate to a solution volume of less than 10 ml in a cup. Transfer the concentrated water sample completely to the colorimetric tube. Cool to room temperature. After cooling, add distilled water to the 10 ml mark. Take 2 clean 10 ml colorimetric tubes. Add 10 ml of distilled water to the first test tube. It is a blank tube. Pour the second one into the water sample with a fixed volume. That is, the sample tube. Add 100 microliters of bromate detection reagent 1 to 2 test tubes. Close the lid tightly, shake and mix well. Add 200 microliters of detection reagent to each of the 2 test tubes. Close the lid tightly, shake and mix well. Add 200 microliters of detection reagent 3 to each of the 2 test tubes. Close the lid tightly, shake and mix well. Allow to react for 20 minutes. Pour the blank solution and sample solution into two colorimetric dishes separately. Click on Sample Testing. Enter sample name. Select the items to be tested. Click on Blank Detection. Wipe the outer wall of the colorimetric dish dry. Put it into the instrument channel. Determine. Remove blank liquid. Put the sample solution into the instrument. Determine. Read the test results.